Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a very exciting Temu unboxing for you today because this comes from Diamond Paintings with TM. She reached out to me and she said she would like to send me a gift from Temu, and yeah, I don't know what to expect, but as you can see, feels like there's a lot in here. So let's take a look in here and see what we got inside. Now this has actually been here for like a week, and I've only just had time to pick it up from my mum's house, and Oh! I know what it is. Oh, wow. Right, I've been talking about this. Oh, wow. Oh, we've got a few things in here. So the first thing is, I'm going to put that to one side. The first thing that we've got here today is we have got this, which is I've been speaking about this. This is something that I've been wanting to try because there is another version of this, but it comes in like a silicone, which I don't like. But this is great because you've got all them individual slots and you can pull the drills out at each time. And then in here, you've got stoppers. So what you do with this is you get your stopper like so. And then what you do is, I think you put it in like that. And say like you wanted to stop one, you've got a stopper there to stop that one falling out. It might go that way, but I'll have to have a look at that. So that's really good. And it looks like you get like a little spoon as well. So that's pretty cool. Really, really good. So absolutely fantastic. We've got a slide. This is used to like get rid of your spare drills and stuff. Got a little brush there and a pen, some squidges. Cool, blimey, look at this. We've got a bloody accessory pack. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, blue wax. Look at that. So we've actually got some blue wax in here, which is quite nice. Oh, wow. So you get 4, 5, 6 pieces in there, and obviously a couple of pens. So that's the first thing that we've got. I'm so over the moon with that. Thank you so very much. And obviously when you're diamond painting, you do find that you keep picking up loads and loads of accessories. And the next thing we've got is, what the hell is that? Okay, I don't know what this is. Oh, right. Oh, wow. Okay. It's a tooth extraction tool. No, it's not really, but oh wow, it's like you got a clip on there. There's a button there that releases that, but it's like a little diamond painting pen in the shape of like a rocket, and then you push that and it covers it. Oh, that's really cool. I like that. Sweet. Thank you for that. And then last but not least, we have, oh look, you know me too well, didn't you, Tessa? You know I love these. Oh wow. And you got me pink, so that's really nice. Obviously I've got a green one of these, but this is fantastic. Look at that. Oh wow, you got me like a 3-in-1. Tessa, thank you so much. Oh my god, it's like Russian dolls, isn't it? Where you open each one out. Oh wow, thank you so much. Oh yes. Oh, do you know what? I'm really happy with that. You've got a pink one. I think the pink's the favourite. And then what you can do is obviously you put that one in there, like so. And then that one goes into there, I think. That one goes into there. And then that one goes on the top. But I think, see what I mean? It's like Russian dolls. You know that Russian doll game, Babushka, with Ryland Clark Neal? And then you put that into there. That goes into there. That goes on there. And I love all these. Thank you so much for this. I really appreciate that. But I think my favourite has to be this new funky pen. That is just really cool. Really can't wait to start using these. And obviously these are great if you're travelling. You know, you've got something you can travel with if you perhaps want to paint over here or something. But it's just, oh man, this is going to help me so much because I'm always out of trays. So, wow, thank you very, very much for this. I know, obviously, you've been wanting to tell me what it is, and I'm not good at keeping secrets. If I buy someone something, I have to tell them what it is. But I've been good, and Tessa's been the same, and she was like, I really want to tell you what it is, and I'm like, no! But yeah, wow, what a lovely gift. Thank you so much, Tessa. Please do check out Tessa's channel, which is Diamond Paints with TM. I'll link it in the description of the video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another video. Remember that if you do want to send me a gift, you can buy from my Amazon wishlist, which is on there. I really hope that, I really want Temu to come out with like a wish list, because I think that would be quite good for like sending gifts to people. So if you want to get me something, my wish list is in the description of the video. All gifts do get unboxed on the channel as and when they come in, if people decide to buy me. By the way, you're not, you know, you don't have to, it's just there, because obviously I know people like to buy me stuff. Check out my sister's channels, check out Tessa's channel, she's also a diamond painter. We do a show on Thursdays. But please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap that bell, and I'll see you next time. Catch you later.